Okay, in this video I will show you how to repair a zipper. I just repaired one. I'll take it off the way it was. Oh no, get it. What we have here is a zipper that is off. Guess that was obvious enough I didn't have to say it. You'll see here I've got some frayed fabric. Looks like it needs some sewing. And the way you'll do this is I looked at a zipper that was already working well and saw that if I wanted it to close, which is what I want to do, and this part I want to go this way and close, then what I need it to do is there's this, you'll see that there's this wide part and a narrow part. And over here, here's the narrow part, and here's the wide part. And when it closes, you're pulling the zipper toward the wide part. So, you find the wide part on here. And I make it face that way so it can be pulled that way to zip it up. And now, I gotta get this zipper into the hole. There's the hole. Then there's another hole for the other zipper side. But there's this fabric that's kind of ripped. And you have to get the fabric in. And it's gonna be inside that line. You'll see possibly in a second. I personally just put it in the big hole. Am I doing it right? This is a different angle than I was at when I did it. I'm supposed to be making this look easy. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I had a book, to prop up the thing, to have it open slightly. There. That probably helps. There we go. There we go, it's on. And now to get the second part on. Can't see. Hopefully y'all can see. Hopefully my hair's not in the way. There we go. And it works. And that is how to fix a zipper that has come off. And hopefully that'll work even if you don't have frayed fabric. So goodbye. Love y'all.